up guys, I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you guys two more on how to get your photo on top. So I have both of my accounts, my YouTube account and my main account. So I'm going to be doing, I've seen a lot of these on photos, but I am going to be like doing pick a number, doing 1 and 2 and stuff like that. Pick a number between 1 and 5. And then you go on your other account and then just load a message here. And then boom. Then pick a number between 1 and 50. Remember, I'm such a bad speller. Forgive me. Sorry about that. Okay, pick a number between 1 and 50. Let's just do 13. No. What number should we pick? Let's just do 11. So then it will show up 11, then 411. So much lag. I'll do this and I'll show you. I'm just gonna reload all my thingies, so it's lagging. So, oh, and guys, remember to follow my Instagram and DM me, because I've had a few DMs. Wait, sneak peek. Bye. Okay, that's a sneak peek of my DMs. I've had a lot, and I have 30 followers in a month. That's okay. So let's go back to the real. Okay guys, I'm on my account now, and yes, I hope it fits. Yeah, I think it fits. Pick a number, okay, yeah. And then you open your screenshot, but if you're a snipping tool, that's what I use. But if you just, I don't know, if you just screenshot and just crop it out, that's fine with me. And I'm just gonna screenshot it. I'm so bad at this. So be sure not to. Oh, I got a username in. I don't want to use username in, because a lot of people already knew. So let's just do that. So let's just save it. Then you just put on photos. And I might do a year, and I might do a part 2, but and then you just submit it and then do it and do that. Like if you do something like that. Yeah, bye.